Hello, welcome to LEGO Brick Today I'll show you how to build LEGO Beyblades. But first, quick preview. You hold the thing on the table, pull and lift at the same time, and it will spin. But now, let's get started. Okay, so just for the actual spinning top, you just want to take a 4 stud long axle, put an 8-tooth gear on one end and a 42 gear on the other, making sure there is one stud of a gap on both sides, just like this. Okay, so now for the spinner part, you'll take a 3 stud long axle and put it on a 36-tooth clutch gear like this, and then attach it to a LEGO wind-up motor, and you can get them from a pullback set or some other set. Now, you put it in on one of the holes and put 2 3-stud Technic pins on the other side, making sure it's a 2-stud gap. The 2-stud gaps with 2 holes, and you just stick them in there. After you do that, you have to build this little thingy, which involves 3 of these 1x10 plates, 4 gear racks as shown here. They're these little pointy things, and a Technic brick like this. And I would recommend it being 14 studs long, but it doesn't have to be. You just have to shorten the plate. But then you just snap that on like this, and now you make your very own Beyblade thing. You just stick the spinning top on the bottom with the hole, lay it on the table, and let it go. I'll show you one more time. And also, if you have 2 of these things, you can build an actual Beyblade set where you can fight with these. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!